Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Just Eat Courier job in the UK. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, simply search for Just Eat Courier. Then you will find the first link that says self-employed courier jobs become a Just Eat Courier in UK. So here simply click on this link and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you will see this apply now option, but I would recommend you to scroll down and see what are the requirements for you to apply now. So you need to be at least 18 years of age. You need to have a smartphone. It can be iOS or Android. You need to have a moped bike or a car plus license and the correct insurance. So here are some of the tips for speed up your application. So you can click on it and then you can just take a look at it. Now once this step is done, simply click on the apply now option and you will be landed on this application page where you need to provide your first name, then you need to provide your last name here. In the email section you need to provide your email address, and then in the phone number section you need to provide your active phone number. After that you need to select your city. So here you need to just scroll down a bit and select your city or your town. After doing so, you need to just simply click on the create account option, and once your account is created, on the next page you need to follow further on screen instructions, like you need to select the type of vehicle that you want to use and you need to upload the certain license relating to that particular vehicle. Then you need to basically submit your application and you can apply now for Just Eat Courier job in the UK. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorials. Thanks for watching.